Alright, welcome everyone. This is Wrath Alpha. So on today's video, I'll be explaining how you can add your contract address to your various wallets. So for those who don't know how to add their contact address to their wallets, either Bitget wallet, your Binance wallet, your Trust wallet, your OKX, your Phantom wallet. So I'll be using 4 to 5 wallets as an example, and I'll be showing you how you can add your contract address. So when you have a contract address, either you are being sent through a group, or you see it on a platform, or you see it on a social media, and you want to buy from there, either you want to buy a meme coin, or you want to track a particular coin through the contract address. So it's very easy. So first, you come to your desk screener or any app you want to use, either a desk screener. You can also use CoinMarketCap, but I'm coming back to there. So you can just select any coin, any meme coin around this chart. Or if you come across maybe a platform and you are being sent the contract address through your maybe group or personal DM. I believe you know what a contract address is. So let's get to this coin, for instance, or to this token. So let's get to this token. This is Solana token money. So just have to tap on it. So you come down here. So the network is quite slow. So yeah, now this is where you're going to copy the contract address. You see this money here, this one in the middle, this one that comes with money. So that's the contract address, and you just have to tap on this. Just have to tap on it, and it will copy automatically to your clipboard. So, and one thing you should know that when you're copying the contract address, you need to know the tokens under what blockchain the token is. So like this token now is under Solana. So this we are going to check it is under Solana. So it is under BSC, BNB to be showed right here, to be displayed right here. So and maybe Ethereum and the others. So all this have to do now is you go to your preferred wallet. So I think I'll be using Trust Wallet for now. I'll be using Trust Wallet. So I have to head over to my Trust Wallet. Alright, so this is my Trust Wallet. So what I have to do is that, so I know most newbies don't know how to navigate their way around when coming to add their contract address. So what you have to do is that you see this filter here, this stuff here, just tap on it. Since it's a new wallet, you just have to tap on it. So just have to tap on it, then you come here, come to this manage crypto. You tap on this manage crypto. So once you've tapped on it, you come here to this plus sign. So after that, then since our since the token we are going to add is under Solana, then I'll tap on this Ethereum stuff, then I'll change it to Solana. So then I'll have to paste the token contract address. So is either you tap on this paste, or you just go to your clipboard and copy and paste the address. So I'll tap on the paste, then you wait for some time. So the information about the token automatically shows. So this is the timeless demand. So the symbol is money. So then you tap on import. So and here it is. So here's the token, here's the information. So that's how to import, or that's how to add your token to your Trust Wallet. So you see that it's being displayed here. So the money on Solana. So if you want to import it to your OKX wallet, let's go to my OKX wallet and let me show you. Alright, so here's my OKX wallet. So once you open your OKX wallet, you just have to come down here, then you see this manage crypto option. You see it, then you tap on manage crypto. So once you've tapped on it, you just have to head over here, then you go to custom crypto. So you tap on it, then you click on this first one, then you tap on Solana, you choose Solana, then you paste your address, you paste it there, then just wait for it to automatically show. So this is it. So it has shown already. So just have to tap on confirm, then it will be added to your watch list. Just have to go back, then you can find it here. So this is it, you can find it here, the money. So also lastly, let's go for one more wallet. So the same process applies for your wallets. Your DX wallet also applies to your CX wallet, like your Bitget, your OKX, your Binance. So you just have to create your Binance wallet, and the same process applies to it. So let's go to Phantom wallets. So but firstly, let me copy another token. So let me copy this bullish token. Then you go down. So once again, you copy this middle address, the middle address. You are going to copy it. So I'll tap on it. Then I'll head over to my Phantom wallet. So for your Phantom wallet, the only thing you can do on Phantom wallet, I don't think you can add or import tokens on Phantom wallet. The only thing you can do is you just have to head over here. You head over to this swap stuff, the one in the middle. So you tap on it. Then the token, any token you want to receive, that is, maybe I want to receive, for the example, the bullish token. So I just have to tap on this cash to exchange the token. Since it's on Solana, I'll leave the top at Solana because I'm exchanging from Solana to another, from Solana coin to Solana token. So I'll just have to search the I'll search the name of the token. So the name of the token is bullish Digin. So when searching, you look at this one at the top here. That's what you're going to search for. So bullish Digin. Then you type it there, bullish. So this is it. So this is the token. This is the token right here. So you just have to tap on it, then it will load up. So you can swap any amount you have to the particular token. Also, for example, if you want to search for the money token example, so you're not going to search for this money. You're going to search for timeless demand. So that's the name of the token you're going to search for. You're going to search for timeless demand, this one right here. So that's how you do it for Phantom. Phantom is a bit different. So just have to tap on this bullish, then I'll switch to timeless demand. Note the process through which I'm taking for this Solana mint tokens are the same process you have to take for either Ethereum base and the likes. So this is timeless demand. So you just have to tap on it and it will load up. Then you can exchange how many amounts you want. So since you've seen the logo here, it's quite easy to be identified. So if it's an Ethereum token, just have to tap on this Ethereum, then you look for the token you search for the token you are looking for. So it's quite easy. And also the same process of trust wallet is the same for like I said before, Binance and the likes, and anyone that applies to this Phantom, you can just apply this method. So don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe, and also put on the notification bell so as to receive fast, interesting, legit updates whereby you can make money from, and you can also learn interesting tips on how to navigate and make money from legit updates.